Where does passion meet pursuit? Where does theory meet the real world? Where do dreams become reality? Welcome to Perry Technical Institute, the Pacific Northwest home to award-winning hands-on training. As a 3-time ACCSE School of Excellence, our mission is to educate, empower, and equip students for lifelong careers in industry. Featuring 2 campuses to support the growing needs of industry, Perry Tech utilizes a no-nonsense recipe for success that is highlighted by a dedicated faculty striving to provide the highest level of instruction. Combined with small class sizes and course curriculum developed in part by industry professionals, it's no surprise that, on average, more than 90% of students find employment in their area of study within 6 months of graduating. With nearly 90 years of history, Perry Tech has built a reputation as a school dedicated to student success. From employer expos to financial aid nights, prospective students can count on the support they need to successfully pursue their desired industry in as little as 6 months to 2 years. Throughout the state and across the country, you can find Perry Tech grads hard at work making an impact. No matter whether agriculture or robotics, medicine or construction, IT or automotive industries, from the first time on campus to graduation and beyond. Once a Perry grad, always a Perry grad, and part of a larger network of individuals with a common bond. Find your program toward a better life and gain real skills for the real world and real success by visiting perrytech.edu today.